No, this isn't the set for the new Tim Burton film. It's my back garden in the snow. Or, for the benefit of those who live in Buthwaite, dandruffs from Satan's toupee. Although it ended up snowing mad, eh? We had the Ice Age. Bloody polar bears used to shit all over our yard. Oh dear. Is it that deep?
£825 per calendar month on rental.
That's a great price. We were hoping to get this more than what we expected when we bought the flat.
Silly cat.
And having had an offer in today, then they're spot on with their valuation.
With the legal charge hanging over it, this property was a gamble. How do Heidi and Will feel about it now?
How did she get up there in the first place?
She can't go anywhere.
She can't go anywhere. She's stuck. Can you see where trough she's done? She's gone round the tree, look. And then I thought, hey, well, where's she going? Then next week she's climbed up fence. And then she can't jump down.
It'd be hard to forget. It cracks as wide
So
as the
she's
Rift
stuck
Valley,
there all,
as funeral directors as neighbours.
Till the snow
None of
melts.
that
Yeah.
were these two hardy developers, Rafe and Alistair, who paid £84,000 at auction.
So not on Julie Wood?
No.
Not on Julie, no. Time will tell, but we'll sort it. I think it's a fairly safe gamble.
There was a list of things to do as long as their arms.
Still move when snowdrops on her head.
Nope.
She's going to try and walk away
We gave
across.
them 4 months to work on that to-do list. Let's hope they aren't cracking under the strain. It looks like only one thing has been ticked off.
She jumps, she'll
Stripping
disappear.
back, ready for work to start.
You think she'd knock it off, wouldn't you?
And there has been plenty
Well, she's
to
not
knock
that.
down.
She's a bit dim, you
Most
know.
of the seams have blown. Plaster's come away from the main beams. So for safety reasons, we had to remove that immediately.
I'll go and shout to it.
A dusty, dirty job, but you know, it is enjoyable. You know, we love our jobs and we get on and do it.
To be fair, Alistair and Rafe have been busy on their other projects, but they'll be free to start in a few weeks' time, and they've got a steep road ahead.
The original plans were to gut the building and start again from scratch. There'd be wiring, there'd be plumbing, new central heating system, new windows right the way through, Velux windows upstairs, part of a new roof, and whatever else we were doing, decorating right the way through, new floorings, just everything, you know.
She's going to jump,
I
she's going
noticed
to
there's
jump.
no mention of the substance there.
This room here, to make it in the loft. There's only a smaller they'll go over there, doing really old bathroom.
Third bedroom made possible by seeing some space to the bedroom next door and moving the staircase.